I never expected a simple kitchen item to change how my bathroom felt. One day I covered certain bathroom areas with aluminum foil. At first it seemed odd, but I was curious to see what might happen. Simple science explanation. Aluminum can reflect light and energy. Reflecting surfaces like aluminum foil can redirect light and heat slightly. This may make small spaces feel brighter or warmer for short periods. Another observation I noticed was less moisture buildup in specific spots. Science suggests reflective surfaces may reduce condensation by redirecting heat. However, effects are subtle and temporary. Practical tips if you try this at home. Cover small sections, like under sinks or around mirrors. Avoid covering electrical outlets or areas with water directly. Remove foil regularly to prevent damage or mold growth. Some people may be sensitive to shiny surfaces causing glare. Household effects vary depending on room size, humidity, and ventilation. Consult reliable home safety sources before experimenting extensively. Tracking changes helps understand real effects. Notice temperature, moisture, and lighting differences over a few days. Small adjustments can create subtle improvements in your bathroom environment. If you found this tip interesting, like and share the video. Try it carefully and observe the changes. Simple household experiments reveal unexpected results.